really surprising that people think that this is something you would actually use, because they look at it and they're like, well, it's too fancy to use. So I'm like, why wouldn't you use it? It'd be fun to use. When I was in grad school, I thought, how can I make an object that would speak to who I am, living on a very small budget, eating a lot of pizza at the time. And I thought, what would be cool to make a pizza cutter. I just got a request from a chef off of Top Chef, a guy by the name of Mike Isabella. He had actually found an image of one of my pizza cutters online, and he'd gotten a tattoo on his arm, on his forearm. And I was a little blown away at first. Like, somebody would actually take one of my pizza cutters and have it tattooed on their arm, that they like it so much, And then he's since asked me to make a pizza cutter based off the one on his arm. For me, it's important to, at the end of the day, to feel like that belongs to me. I did that, and that's huge. And I think, if anything, I hope I can pass that on to my students. If they're able to make something with their own hands and to create something that didn't exist, that's amazing. I think that's one of the best things about what I'm able to do here and teach.